What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to fix the issue when your right click keeps loading for a long time on Windows 11. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. In your Start menu search, type Task Manager. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl, Shift and Escape to open it up. Here, under Apps, locate the Windows Explorer process. Right-click Windows Explorer and make sure to end the process. When this is done, navigate to File, Run New Task. In this dialog box, type Explorer and check the Create this task with administrative privileges box and click on OK. Your File Explorer will open up and your long right-click loading time should be reduced significantly. In case this did not help at all, then make sure to close your Task Manager and in your Start menu search, type Registry Editor and open it up. In case you're unable to find it here, then use the shortcut Windows key at R and in this dialog box, type regedit and hit Enter. In your Registry Editor, I first of all suggest creating a backup in case you delete and change some values by accident. Navigate to File, Export. Here, select a save location for your registry backup and click on Save. When this is done, navigate to HKey Classes Root, Directory, Background, Shell X, Context Menu Handlers. Here, select Context Menu Handlers and make sure to right-click and delete every folder in here, except for New and Work folders. Lastly, make sure to restart your PC for the changes to take effect. If nothing works, I would recommend that you perform a Windows 11 Repair Update. Repair Update fixes all Windows errors and retains all files, applications and settings. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.